She has
One for me and one for Binsoy.
Binsoy. Kevin Soy. Ate Carmen.
Cameron. So they said to me that you and Luis is
Who's Luis?
Oh.
kabit niya, kabit.
Sino naman yun?
Kabit yun, kabit.
Don't talk about him. No.
Okay.
Who's Luis? Do you love Luis?
No, he's not my friend. That's why they're haters.
This is my friend Kalo. He is a police.
Yes.
Oh,
He's
you're a police?
Yeah,
Yes.
he's a sergeant.
Sergeant at Arms.
He's a sergeant. Sergeant at arms.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did he give you those flowers behind you?
Yes, I have a lot
Yes.
of flowers.
I give you flowers too. Don't tampo me. I give you flowers too. Don't.
Ay, nagpaparinig siya.
Yeah. I give you flowers. Okay.
Okay. I better wait.
Yeah.
I better wait for the flowers.
I have no flowers, but I have mango. I give you mango.
Okay, I can have mango. I like
Yeah.
mango.
Yeah, because you have mango. Babalu.
Hindi niya naiintindihan, oh.
Oh, pwede natin binta to eh.
Ay, si Pacquiao.
No, gracias ko lalaki.
Babae. Cameron, like, do you think, because Kalo is very, very famous here in
No.
the country, in the Philippines, because he is a, tama ba, lalaki ka ba babae, Kalo? He is a sergeant, he is a police.
Eh, ano naman, Eka?
Okay.
Chicken bites.
Chicken?
Yummy.
Chicken
Chicken
rice.
breast.
Sauce.
Yeah.
Do you like this?
Oh, you dip the chicken into the sea. Sauce.
Why are you
Cameron.
saying so?
Melvin.
Cameron.
Tell me.
Cameron, like, I think your eating is so tasty. I want to eat that.
It is tasty. You wanna eat it?
Yeah. No, not your finger. The chicken one. Not your finger. The chicken.
It was in my mouth, the chicken.
Okay.
You don't want the chicken from my mouth?
It's fine. Kadiri ka, kadiri. Okay. It's fine. I'm good. I'm full.
Full.
Yeah, full tank na ako.